Okay, you have a topic for your course in mind. Now, how do you start to actually make a course about that topic? The first step to creating any kind of content is to think about your audience. Who will be taking your course? What are their interests? What do they know about the subject? How do they feel about the subject? All of these questions are important to analyze before creating your content so that you ensure you are meeting your audience's expectations and create the best learning experience possible. Remember what I said earlier about value? It's important to focus your content on what will provide the most value to your learners. If you analyze your audience and understand their needs, you are much more likely to create content that is interesting and relevant to them, that captures their attention and encourages learning. This will result in better ratings and reviews for your course when it's published and help you build your credibility as an instructor. The simplest way to analyze your audience before creating your course is to answer a set of questions about them. First, what goals, interests, problems, or challenges are driving learners to take a course in your topic area? For example, if your course is about SQL for marketers, you could say, marketing professionals are increasingly being expected to understand data science. Or if your course is about giving feedback, you could say, the ability to give impactful, constructive feedback is a key management skill. Focus on your audience's motivations for engaging with your course. What's in it for them? What outcomes are they hoping to achieve? Why would they want to take a course on your topic? The second question is, what does your audience already know about your topic? What skills or experience should they already have before taking your course? What will you not cover because your audience should already know it? Remember to keep your own expertise in mind here. Don't make assumptions about what your audience knows. Think back to when you were first learning your topic. What terms did you need defined? What frameworks were new to you? The third question is, who is your content suitable for? Who is it not suitable for? It can be tempting to just say that your content is suitable for everyone and that everyone will benefit from the knowledge you have to share. But is that really true? Being more specific about who your content is meant for and having an understanding of who it's not meant for is key to having an impact and creating the best experience for your audience. Finally, how does your audience feel about your topic? Lots of emotions are associated with learning new skills. Perhaps your audience feels nervous because they need to learn something new that's very important to their job, or they feel frustrated because the skills they're learning are new to them and they're struggling. How do you want to acknowledge and, if needed, calm these emotions in your audience? What do you want them to feel instead? Based on these questions, who are the ideal learners for your course? You can create a few personas of your ideal learners that describe their interests and goals and what skills or jobs they may have or want to gain as a result of taking your course. In the next lecture, we'll go through an activity to answer these questions for the course you are working on.